instead of studying. Street kids out of school are the focus of a TVJ News special report. Students left traumatized after deadly crash in Portmore. And businessman charged in relation to fatal car crash of 10-year-old boy in Manchester.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, last evening we reported on the PIOJ's projections for the current quarter, which ends this month, but they're saying there are some areas that could spur growth in the economy. What are those? I'll have the details later on.
And Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. On a day there was a lot of athletics, which I love.
And also, we have some football as well, Archie, to come. And international football returns to the National Stadium on Friday. The Reggae Boys, they'll be taking on Cuba. And there were 3 victories for Jamaica at the Zurich Diamond League meet today. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we have dry conditions across sections of the east in the morning tomorrow, but afternoon showers and thunderstorms are expected to return to most of the west in the afternoon tomorrow.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report in detail later on in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the PNP's decision not to contest the by-election in northeastern St. Anne?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.